Welcome. Today in front of me Honor X7 and I'll show you that the device comes with the charger brick inside the box. So first let's open the box. And what we can find here, so the SIM eject tool, I think it's from here. So SIM eject tool, some paperwork, and yeah, we can see here the original Honor supercharger brick with all of the specs. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.